So I'm Andrea Pfeiffer, the CEO of ACimmune, and I'm interviewed by Informio.
Thank you so much for being with us here today, Andrea. I understand your company has big news this week. You've just raised a Series C round. Can you give us some details?
Yeah, so we have several good news this week. We have been elected Technology Pioneer 2009 in Davos by the World Economic Forum, and at the same time we could announce the round C of 40 million Swiss francs.
This is quite a feat in a downturn to raise that kind of money. Why do you think your investors were willing to step up now with that big of a sum?
I think it has very much to do with the company's deliveries. We have, over the last 5 years, really stood up to what we had promised our investors. We have delivered on the product side and put 2 products last year into the clinic, and 1 product will come into the clinic this year in a field which is Alzheimer's. So there is, of course, enormous hope that we could contribute to an important therapy for people in this century.
So you're working on several different products. You've got a vaccine. Where are you on that? How far away are you from going to market with the vaccine?
So we have 3 products today. The first one is an antibody, monoclonal antibody against the A beta protein. This one is partnered with Genentech. We went into the clinic last year in Q3 2008. And of course, over the next 1 or 2 years, we will finish with phase 1 testing, and then we will go into phase 2 and phase 3, and we hope, of course, that this will not take too much more time. The vaccine will go into the clinic this year, and then the small molecule, which has been now in people, where we can be more predictive in our timing, and here I would expect it will be in the market in 2015, 2016.
Great. What advice would you give to other entrepreneurs who are trying to raise money right now in terms of, execution and running their companies?
I think it is extremely important to have a long-term strategy for the company, to really sit down. It's actually very hard work because you see all the gaps which you have as a company, to really plan out your financial needs, your product needs, your people needs in a very exact way, and then according to this plan, develop your products and actually get your finances and actually stick to it. And this sticking to it is quite important, because you immediately lose your credibility if you make predictions which are absolutely not true, or tell your investors that you will have products and there are no products. So actually keeping your predictions is one of the important credibility factors.
Okay, thank you very much.